It's also going to be a very expensive month. I went to ikea and got like 3 more shelves. I haven't done my makeup in so long. What's up everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. So I'm going to do another weekend in my life. I have kind of a busy weekend. I wanted to do a handful of things today, so might as well vlog it. As you saw earlier, I just got ready, took a shower, made some fried rice. So for today, I wanted to go back to ikea. If you didn't see in the last vlog, I went to ikea and got like 3 more shelves for my Billy bookcase, but one of them was missing the 2 inserts that you like put in the little holes to hold the shelf up. So I was just gonna exchange it to get a new one, or if they can just give me the 2 pieces. And then Tasha has to go get her glasses readjusted because she just got new ones, and then we're just gonna go get boba after that. And then later today, I think we're just gonna come back to the apartment and chill for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to my old apartment and just kind of like clean it up, patch up the holes and all of that, because the last person that was in the apartment, she just moved out today. So we're just gonna do like a final clean of the place. Also just kind of edit some more videos because I'm trying to be on top of it to upload every Sunday. If I do 2 videos a week, it'll probably be like a Wednesday and Sunday. I'm just gonna throw on something really simple to go with Tasha. I'll take you guys along. Alright, excuse this mess. I'm still in the process of reorganizing my room, but this is the outfit I'm going with today. So this top, this is thrifted. When we went to Miami the first weekend of May, I just picked this up. And then also these pants, these are thrifted as well. And then I just did like a French tuck. So one side tucked and then the other long. And my hair looks good today, so I'm just gonna keep it down. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing my 98s. Haven't worn these in a while, but they're pretty comfortable. And I do have some pink in my shirt, so it matches. And I don't know what purse I'm wearing just yet. If I'm gonna wear one, I feel like there needs to be something else added to this, but this is the look. I haven't done my makeup in so long. I think the last time I did my makeup was in Costa Rica for our birthday. My skin really isn't that crazy anymore. I mean, I have hyperpigmentation, but it's not as dark as it used to be. So I already took off the ikea shelf that I need to exchange, and then I think I just want to find like a bag or some sort of accessory to add, and then we'll be out the door. Alright, so Tasha just parked the car, so I'm just sitting in the car and wait for her. She's just running in and out. But this is a really cute place in Brooklyn. I'm not really sure where we're at, but they have really nice brownstones and then a whole bunch of just shops and stuff down this strip. After she gets her glasses adjusted, we're gonna go get boba. She said it's around here. I guess we're gonna try to take some pictures on this street or either in the boba place. And it's a nice day out today. It's like 72 degrees. It's sunny, but it's also windy at the same time, which is really nice. We have a co-worker who has like a barbecue type thing at a park. We're gonna try to go to that. It is all the way in the Bronx. We were kind of iffy, but since we're not doing anything today and it's not too hot, we're just gonna stop by for an hour or 2. I think we're gonna pick up Pelissa. That was one of my old roommates, because I think she stays in Harlem now. Also, September is about to be really hectic for me. First weekend, I'm going to Main America. Second weekend, I have a break. Third weekend, I'm going home for like 4 days. And then that last weekend is Governor's Ball, and I'm super excited. It's also gonna be a very expensive month.
I like these 2 equally the same.
Alright, let's give it a try.
Thank you.
Thank you. Morning everybody. So today is the next day. It is Sunday and I am actually waiting outside for my laser appointment. So it's at 10:30. I forgot that I'm a little closer when I moved. So yesterday it was a super long day. We were out literally all day. I didn't get home until about 12:30 because there was so much traffic. Yeah, I was stuck in traffic for so long, so I didn't even get the chance to go to the other apartment. So I'm gonna try to go there today and then throw some things out and try to clean it up a little bit. Today's gonna be a really chill day. I don't have the energy to do anything. Yesterday I just kind of need a reset from it. That was just a lot of energy for me. I don't like doing it 2 days in a row. One day is enough. For my laser, I've been going to them for about a year now. I think I started last May. So I get my armpits done and then my happy trail. I paid for 10 sessions each. I think I have maybe 3 or 4 left. Do see improvement. My hair for my happy trail doesn't grow back anymore, and then for my armpits it's very thin. I don't have to shave that often, maybe like once or twice between sessions. I think I want to do my bikini next. Right now I wax my bikini and I'm fine with that.